Hello everyone. Welcome to our English podcast. I am your teacher, Sarah.
And hello. I am Leo. I am very happy to be here.
Welcome, Leo. Today, we are in a special place. Can you hear the noise?
Yes, Sarah. I hear cups. I hear people talking.
That is right. We are at a coffee shop. Listen and repeat, coffee shop.
Coffee shop. I love coffee shops.
Me too. Leo, what day is it today?
Today is Monday.
Correct. Today is Monday. It is the start of the week. Listeners, repeat, Monday.
Monday is a good day for coffee.
Yes, it is. Look, here comes the waiter. Leo, do you want to order?
Yes, please. I am thirsty.
Okay, go ahead. Try to order in English.
Okay. Hello. I want coffee.
Wait, Leo. That is okay, but we can be more polite. Instead of I want, say I would like.
Okay. I would like a coffee.
Very good. I would like a coffee, please. Listeners, repeat, I would like a coffee.
I would like a coffee, please.
Excellent. Do you want milk or sugar?
Yes. I like sugar. I want 3 sugar.
Close, Leo. But we count the packets. So we say, 3 sugars, please. Or 3 packets of sugar.
3 sugars, please.
Perfect. And I would like a tea. A green tea, please.
You like tea, Sarah?
Yes, I love tea in the morning. Okay, we have our drinks. Now, Leo, look at the menu. How much is the coffee?
Let me see. The number is 5. $5.
Yes. $5. And the tea?
The tea is $3.
Good. Now, let's practice some math. 5 plus 3. How much is the total?
5 plus 3 is 8. The total is $8.
Correct. $8. Listeners, repeat the number, 8.
$8. It is cheap.
It is a good price. So, Leo, today is Monday. What is your plan for the week?
I work on Monday. I work on Tuesday. And I work on Wednesday.
Stop there, Leo. That is a very common mistake.
A mistake.
Yes. The spelling is Wednesday. But the pronunciation is different. We do not say Wednesday.
How do we say it?
We say, Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Exactly. It sounds like Wednesday. The D is silent. Listeners, this is important. Repeat, Wednesday. One more time, Wednesday.
Wednesday. Okay, I work on Wednesday too.
Busy week. And what about Thursday and Friday?
On Thursday, I go to the gym. And on Friday. Friday is my favorite day.
Why is Friday your favorite?
Because on Friday night, I relax.
That sounds wonderful. So, we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
And Saturday and Sunday.
Yes, the weekend. But let's focus on today. Today is Monday. We are drinking coffee.
And tea.
And tea. It is a nice morning.
Sarah, can I ask a question?
Of course, Leo.
How do I say, "Hello" in English? I am hungry.
Ah, good question. Bolo in English is cake.
Cake. Can I order cake?
Sure. Remember the polite phrase?
Yes. I would like.
Go on.
I would like a piece of cake, please.
Perfect grammar, Leo. Listeners, do you like cake? Repeat, cake.
This podcast makes me hungry.
Me too. Okay, before we finish our coffee, let's practice. We learned 3 very important words today.
I am ready.
Okay. Listeners, listen to me, and then repeat in the pause. Word number 1, Wednesday.
Wednesday. Not Wednesday.
Correct. Word number 2, coffee shop.
Coffee shop.
Very good. And phrase number 3. This is for ordering food. I would like.
I would like.
A coffee, please.
I would like a coffee, please.
You did a great job today, Leo.
Thank you, Sarah. English is fun.
It is fun. Thank you for listening, everyone. Enjoy your coffee, and enjoy your Monday.
Goodbye. See you next time.